Hello, it is Mary Rose Wildfire Maguire, direct response copywriter and digital marketing consultant. And I just wanted to sort of follow up on a conversation I've been having with someone regarding marketing, digital marketing in particular. And one of the comments that I made was, the money is really on the back end. So what that means is that if you are an online marketer and you're trying to get customers, new clients, whichever, to buy whatever it is you offer, a product or service, and you offer something low cost in order to get them through the door. So, retail stores might call that a loss leader. They want to get the business of a new customer, and so they offer a product at a very low price. And that's great. It's a great strategy. However, one of the things that I really want to stress is how important it is to absolutely blow away your customers' expectations when you do that. So not only did you get them in the front door, okay, the first purchase of your client or customer is a front end, usually what is referred to as a front end offer, okay? You usually do not make money with front end offers. And that's the way, in a way, it's set up to be, or that's, let's say, in a perfect world, because when you blow the expectations out of the water for your client or customer, they're going to come back to you. And you can then get repeat business out of them. And you will get a loyal customer because you continue to deliver outstanding products and services and outstanding customer service. Just, you continue to impress the hell out of them. I mean, that's really what it boils down to. You have got to impress your clients and customers more than ever, because there is so much more competition out there for whatever it is that you do. There is always going to be someone who is willing to do it at a lot less money, a lot less of a price than you are. So how do you differentiate yourself from what everybody else is doing? Okay, it is the way you treat people. Okay, I'm going to get like a little goofy on this because it's one of my biggest complaints about businesses nowadays. And I'm not talking just digital businesses, but brick and mortar companies are suffering because they have lost touch with customer service. They've lost touch with it. You walk into so many stores and the people who work there barely notice you, barely say hello. If you need help, it's almost like you have to send up a flare or start a fire in an aisle in order to get someone who works there to come and help you, okay? That's very, very frustrating. And it really doesn't take that much more effort to make sure that your customer and client knows that you're there to help them. So I talk a lot about ChickfilA, how much I love ChickfilA. It's not just the food. It is the way they treat the customer. That is why I think ChickfilA is so amazing, because they use one phrase that I find so charming. And I'll tell you, not enough businesses are charming. Charm has its advantage, okay? Women have known this for a long time, that if they can be charming and alluring, they're going to get attention from men. But with businesses, there's not a lot of charm. And so when somebody comes through with a charming tactic, it really shines bright. So the charming tactic that ChickfilA uses is, it will be my pleasure. It will be my pleasure to serve you at the window. It will be my pleasure. Who says that anymore? No one. No one says that. That's why it makes them so unique. So with your delivery, whatever it is, if you are, like I said, you're an online marketer, and even if you're an offline marketer and you're trying to get a new client, and let's say that you're not even offering a low priced entry point to access your product or service, you still have to impress the hell out of them. You still have to make sure, for instance, and here's some real world examples, you follow up with email. If they call you, you answer their questions politely. You ask if there's anything more that you could do to help them. If you really want to go the extra mile, after a customer has a concern or an issue, you follow up with them a week later to make sure everything is working well, okay? Again, attention, attention, attention. I can't emphasize that enough. You give your customer all the attention that they need or want, even more attention than what they think that they want, and I will tell you, it is going to make a huge difference in your business, because if you screw it up and you don't treat your customer well after they buy a low entry price point product or service from you, and you forget about them, you don't follow up, you don't answer their questions, or you treat them like, oh, well, you know, we got your business now, so thanks and see you later. You're not going to see them again. You'll probably lose them to your competitor. So if you don't want that, treat your customers well, give them the attention they need. Love them, because I'll tell you, they can definitely go elsewhere for whatever type of business they're giving you. Thanks so much for watching. And if you want to check me out, go to www.maryrosemaguire.com and you'll find out more about me there. You can also go to www.Bootstrap Graphic. I know that's a mouthful, Bootstrap Graphic. And I just launched this year our newsletter, our printed newsletter service. So if you need monthly newsletters, both designed and the copy, go there. And you can find out more about me on my website and what it is that we do. Thanks so much for watching, and hope you're having a great day. Go out there and impress your client and customer. Thanks.